you're here and you're still there, but soon we'll be able to get out and explore everywhere. I just saw my neighbor. He's wearing a mask. It looks funny. Sometimes it can look scary too. But let us not be scared. A mask is made to protect us and others from the bad bug. Do you have a mask yet? Well, let me show you how to make one. It's easy, and you can have fun if you try. I have two friends here with me to help me make the mask. Apollo and Ashton. The materials you need for this are very simple. You have them around the house. Grab a sock, clean of course, or new, even better. Scissors, and we're going to have some fun by painting our mask to customize it, make it unique. Okay, let's grab our scissors. Start cutting about 2 fingers from the top of the heel and 2 fingers below the heel. So the heel is this little curve that you see on the sock. Put 2 fingers on top of it and then 2 fingers below it. You're gonna cut it right there. Let's get started. Your sock should be this shape right now. Just about this. What we're going to do now, you see how the curve is here? We're going to cut on this side. On the other side, it's a little more straight, side of the sock, to open it up. Grab your scissors, put it inside, like this, and then cut it right through. You should have a rectangle now with a little bump in the middle because that's where the heel was. Very nice. Let's keep moving. We have one more cutting to do, okay? 2 in reality. We're going to now fold the sock in half this way, not the way it was before. Now long ways.
This way?
No, long ways. I'll show you right here. You see where that little bump is?
Yeah.
For the heel, you're gonna pick it up and you're gonna fold it in half. It's going to look like a very long rectangle. Now we're going to cut a little sliver, not all the way, on the ends of each side. All right? We don't want to cut all the way across because otherwise we're going to lose a piece. We want it to stay here, so we're just going to cut a little sliver. I will show you. Are you starting to see it now? Now, it's pretty much finished, but if you want it to look extra nice, I recommend cutting the little edges. Instead of making it a straight rectangle, make it a little bit curved to take out these little edges here on the sides. It makes a big difference because nothing is going to stick out. Just a little bit, just curve it. Curve the corners like that. Nothing will be sticking out. Our masks are done. No more cutting needed. Now we're going to customize it by making it our own with our painting. I recommend using a ball or an orange or an apple, right? Whatever you have around the house that you can just place the mask on top. You roll it and then you hold it with the hand that you don't use for painting. So I paint with my, yes, that's your left hand. I use my right hand to paint, so I'm gonna hold it with my left. Now grab a brush, grab some paints, and get creative. What am I?
A cat.
Let me see yours. And you have a big smile. And you also have a smile, but you're showing me your tongue? What about you? Do you like it too? Did you have fun? Go ahead, try your own. The possibilities are endless. Do your own design. Have fun. Bye. Nice to see you around here. Remember to like and subscribe so we can meet again.